Here's a detailed recipe for shrimp scampi pasta, including all the ingredients and step-by-step instructions. Ingredients. Serves 4. For the pasta: 300 g, 10 ounces, spaghetti or linguine. 1 tablespoon salt, for boiling water. 2 tablespoons olive oil, to prevent pasta from sticking. For the shrimp scampi: for 50 g, 1 pound, large shrimp, peeled, deveined, tails on or off as preferred. 3 tablespoons olive oil. 3 tablespoons unsalted butter. 5 garlic cloves, minced. 1/4 teaspoon red pepper flakes, optional, for a bit of heat. Half a cup dry white wine, like Sauvignon Blanc, or chicken broth. 1 lemon, juice and zest. 1/4 cup chopped fresh parsley. Salt and black pepper, to taste. Parmesan cheese for garnish, optional. Instructions. A. Cook the pasta. 1. In a large pot, bring water to a boil and add 1 tablespoon of salt. 2. Add the pasta and cook according to package instructions until al dente, firm to the bite. 3. Drain the pasta and toss it with 2 tablespoons of olive oil to prevent sticking. Set aside. B. Prepare the shrimp. 1. Season the shrimp with a pinch of salt and pepper. 2. In a large skillet, heat 3 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. 3. Add the shrimp in a single layer and cook for 1 to 2 minutes on each side, until they turn pink and opaque. 4. Remove the shrimp from the pan and set them aside. C. Make the scampi sauce. 1. In the same skillet, melt 3 tablespoons of butter. 2. Add the minced garlic and red pepper flakes, if using. Sauté for about 1 minute until fragrant, being careful not to burn the garlic. 3. Pour in the white wine, or chicken broth, and let it simmer for 2 to 3 minutes, allowing the alcohol to evaporate and the sauce to reduce slightly. 4. Add the lemon juice, lemon zest, and a bit more salt and pepper to taste. D. Combine everything. 1. Return the cooked shrimp to the pan and toss them in the sauce. 2. Add the drained pasta to the skillet and mix well to coat the pasta with the sauce. 3. Sprinkle the chopped parsley over the top and toss again. E. Serve. 1. Transfer the pasta to serving plates or a large dish. 2. Optionally, garnish with grated Parmesan cheese for extra flavor. 3. Serve immediately with lemon wedges on the side if desired. Enjoy your flavorful shrimp scampi pasta.
In your eyes, I find my place. A love so deep I can't erase.